Hello dear Odooers, I welcome to you all. So my today's topic is the improvements and updates in the debug mode from the upcoming version of Odoo18. So Odoo has revamped the debug mode structure in the Odoo18. So first let's check how the debug mode look like in Odoo version 17. So currently I am on my Odoo version 17 database. I activated the developer mode. So let's click on the debug mode. So we can see the debug mode of Odoo version 17 and before. So it shows just like this, the separated views. So let's check the revamped version of Odoo18, how it look like in upcoming version of Odoo18. So I'm jumping to my Odoo18 database. So this is my Odoo18 database. I have activated the developer mode. So let's click on the debug mode. So we can see a revamp of the debug mode. So Odoo restructured the debug mode just like the menu view. So we can see a menu item. So first we can see a record. So under that we can see a data. So when I'm clicking on a data, Odoo shows the all data related to the current model. So currently I am on sell order model. So it shows the all the data of sell orders. So let's click on again. So on a second section it shows the user interface of current model. So we can see a model sell order which shows the model of sell order. We can see all detail of that model. Then we can see the action, search view, view, list view, fields, filters and computer, which is a get view. So after that we have the security section. So under that security we can see access right and record rule menu. So access rights will show all the access right of the current model, and record rule just like the access right, record rule will show all the record rule of the current model. And after that we have the testing tools sections. So on a testing we can see the run click everywhere testing. So once we click, Odoo will start clicking all of the views and it tests the clicking action. We have the button stop clicking, so we can stop the clicking test. And then we have we can see the become super users. We can see the leave debug mode options on, so it will deactivate the debug mode. So hope you like the revamp of Odoo debug mode. Thank you for watching.